Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. It is May 13th. I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day. But before we get into all things crypto, there's a reason you clicked on this video. Guess what? You're into crypto. It's hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself that are watching right now. I do ask, please hit that subscribe. Join the Ganja Goons gang. It'll help us out in the old algorithm, and we would love to go up. So guys, I'm going to get right into it. A lot of things have happened today, especially regarding the meme coin space. And, it's been a great pump. And some people are all confused. They're like, Teddy, why did it pump? And other people know exactly what's going on and they're keeping up. We've also seen Tether depeg a little. We're going to talk about the Tether news as well. When we're just checking in, and that's what we're about right now. We're checking in, making sure everything and anything that has to do with our crypto holdings are doing well, and we're just making sure if there is a rally, we are primed for that rally. If there isn't a rally, we want to see why. For any of you guys that are surprised, we did call Pepe having a potential prime to lose a zero, and it ended up happening, right? We lost that zero. We're now at 4 zeros 1, and we're trying to see where it's going to hold and where it's going to catch support. I do believe it hit some resistance earlier, so we'll see if this continues, but it is a great day for meme coins, and most of that is thanks to Twitter account Roaring Kitty. Let me check in with the chat here. Yo, NW, what's going on? Triple G's. Yo, Ben Spada, what's going on? Roaring Ganja or Ganja Kitty? Teddy, I got sell orders at $20 for JTO. JTO was going crazy, so I do believe it can happen if this rally continues. Triple G's over GME. Let's go. Yo, GME did what is that? Close to a 3x today, like overnight. We got the chains going today. Heck yes, we got the chains going. Do I not do the chains on this? Oh my god, I haven't oh my god, do I not stream with the chains normally? Now I feel weird. Now I'm sorry. Normally on Explore the Weird, I got the chains out all the time. I got so much competition in the reaction space. You don't even understand. It's like we were doing so good, and then all of the sudden you see like all these reaction channels with the chains out, and I'm like, what the hell is this? I got chains too, but I never shown them. Till now, I guess, to you guys. So welcome. Solana's walking drunk all sideways and stuff. So absolutely, the market is sideways. The market is literally every time I check in with you, it is 2.3 trillion. And if it's not 2.3 trillion, it's like 2.33, maybe getting to 2.4, never happens, goes back to 2.3. And I check in with you. This is a sideways market. This is exactly what we predicted is going to happen. And we're having those one-off rallies. And I do say one-offs because I don't know if this rally is going to continue. It's great. It's great that this guy came back out of what is it, 3-year coma and started saying stuff again. But I do not base my investments just based off of one X account. But they say, hey, that X account was quite important back in 2021. Let me see here. I thought Mr. T was streaming. Well, what does that even mean? Who's Mr. T? Yeah, and you always have chains on Explore the Weird, but I don't think in here. Okay, I will put the chains away in here. That's what happened. I forgot. I forgot. What's going on, William? Nice to see you. Always a pleasure. We were just discussing about Teddy and the chains out. Oh my god, look up Mr. T. Who's Mr. T? Like, wait, what? Am I thinking about the same Mr. T? Wait, I'm looking this up right now. I'm sorry. This is a little bit of goon time coming in here. Mr. T. Let's see. Nah, is this the Mr. T we're talking about? What? Mr. T live stream? You don't know Mr. T? Wait, this is I know this Mr. T. What Mr. T are you talking about? Uh, Mr. T live stream? Oh, Mr. T and the Chains. I see what you're saying. I see. I got it. I'm sorry. I'm slow. I'm sorry. Oh boy. Here we go. Right at kicking it off. Right in the beginning. And that's the one. All the chains. Dude, this is crazy. This is a lot of chains, man. Yeah, I don't want YouTube to come copy strike me, so I need to get away from here. Yeah. All right, back to crypto. Sorry, we took a little break there. Are you still with us? Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. Yeah, we have fun. We have fun. So as I was saying, sideways market literally every single time, but there are interesting things happening on the market cap levels, and we are even seeing a parabolic increase for those meme coins, as I've been saying. They said it was close to like $10 billion that came into the meme coin space in just overnight. So imagine one tweet is able to do all that. Y'all take financial advice from this knucklehead. Oh boy, here we go. What's going on, F Joe? What's going on? What's has something upset you in Solana's space or something? I thought Solana was doing fairly okay. I saw it was at 147. But regardless, one of the main things I looked at was dominance. Guys, we are getting closer and closer to 54%. 54%. And we are seeing Ethereum dominance go lower than 16%. So now I'm in that space of like, hey, we do know that there is anticipated ETF news. No, it's all good. Okay. I'm just making sure. I'm like, oh, what's going on? Simmer down. But I don't know. Maybe I need to simmer down. But regardless, there is things happening in this space, and more importantly, we need to gear up for potential rallies in the foreseeable future. I'm looking at XRP. I'm looking at not really truly sure, but I do have a position in Doge, and we did look at Solana as another entry point. But now you've seen, hey, there's another rally that happened, and Doge didn't really pump that hard from our initial position. So I think we're like up 2 cents. But what did happen is like Floki and Pepe had a great rally, and we predicted that was going to happen, but unfortunately we didn't all receive those positions. Yo, hey, Teddy and the Goons, good your boy. What's going on, buddy? We are just looking at the market, understanding where we are and potentially what is in store in the foreseeable future. Got some good articles as well. So as I was saying, um, biggest gainers, Pepe, Floki, they did really well. They did really well, especially in the meme coin space. And we did have almost every single meme coin in the biggest gainers, literally in the top 10. So you got Pepe, Floki, Dogecoin, Shiba, Inu, Bonk, and Dogwif hat was on here, but it was actually going south last I looked. Referring to you not linking the Mr. T and the chains thing. Buddy, I know Mr. T, but I didn't think about the chains. Oh my god. What is that? No, I can't. I don't want to do. I don't want to say the wrong thing now. Goons. Yo, Coochie boy, you missed us teaching Teddy who. No, this never happened. Oh my god, the goons are going reckless. They're like, Teddy, you don't know Mr. T. I didn't make the correlation. I thought Mr. T was streaming. I read this different. All right. I read this as like someone on YouTube was streaming or like that was into crypto. And I understood my mistake. All right. English is my second language. You guys already know that. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm just digging myself into a hole. I'm just digging myself into a hole. So I know NW with the JTO, I hope so, buddy. I'm right there with you. I see it's been trading everywhere. The volumes are going up, and I'm going, hey, potentially, we are in a potential rally for, I want to say, the next 2 months. I want to say the next 2 months there could be a mini rally for some of these coins, and the only reason I say that is because they're talking about historical other analysts, because you guys know I'm following crypto like anything, but other analysts are talking about historical trends and how they predicted, hey, some trend lines that when this Roaring Kitty account becomes active, and the meme that it posted just means that it's focusing in, and that basically means the start of a rally. So it's like, oh, this is interesting. I never um knew this. uh you guys are killing me. You guys are killing me, man. Oh boy, Teddy could be the we here for the technology. Oh my god, the sad part is, yeah, that is exactly that moment that happened. Yeah. Oh boy, and it's fine. It's fine. There's nothing. I'm just gonna dig myself into a deeper hole, and the goons are gonna enjoy that. All right, we're gonna move on to the news. Enough of this. Enough. Oh boy. So I want to talk about some of the things. We did see that Tether depegged today, and just to show you that is Tether, the number 3 coin, at 0.998 and potentially going down. So what happened? Well, there's some beef. There's some beef going on, where the Tether CEO and the XRP CEO have basically exchanged words, right? So what has happened is, Tether CEO Paulo Ardoino and Ardoino. Eh, Ardoino. That's what I'm gonna say. If it's not right, I apologize. But basically, he came out on a post and he's like, "Hey, some uninformed CEO," and I understand it says uniformed. I believe it's uninformed, is leading a company being investigated by the SEC. And so the speculation is this company is XRP, right? And they're launching a competitive stablecoin. So we do know this, that XRP is looking into launching a stablecoin. And we read the news and we predicted, hey, they are in with the SEC. Maybe they come to some agreement. And that's why XRP is looking at that stablecoin route. I believe there have been some talks that have happened, and between our boy, then this is that conspiracy hat. I'm putting it on. Hey, you're watching Explore the Weird. No, I'm just kidding. But really, I do believe that there could have been exchanges, and that's why XRP is leaning towards this investigation and adoption of the stablecoin route that Brad Garlinghouse has been talking about, right? So people are saying, yeah, this is exactly Arduino. He didn't name the CEO in question, but everyone believes it's Brad Garlinghouse, because Brad, in a YouTube podcast, had said that the U.S. government is going after Tether, and that is clear to Brad. So you go, hey, what does Brad know? Hey, Brad's learned a lot. Brad's the only one that's sane right now. All right. So he says, I view Tether as a very important part of the ecosystem. So it's like, all right, so let's see what else is going to happen. And you got to keep in mind, we've also heard David Schwartz, right? Um, and he basically comes out and he goes, hey, Tether is almost a no-go for Ripple because of the regulatory issues. And there's just so much uncertainty around Tether stablecoin. So it's not just Brad. We got David Schwartz jumping on the bandwagon. Everyone is talking about a stablecoin uh, solution that would be regulatorily accepted by what they assume is the United States, right? Especially the SEC. So USDT's regulation is in question according to XRP, but we do know XRP is going to come out with their own version, and we'll see how that happens. Um, and they talk about, hey, they've used USDC in the past, and now they're talking about, hey, we should have launched its own stablecoin sooner. Now they came up to this decision, but I'm sure that CTO back in the day was like, hey guys, we should do this, right? For Ripple, and now people are realizing, hey, this ISO 222, right, standard is only gonna push XRP so long. Now they've talked with the SEC. Maybe they're going to figure out the framework to have a regulatorily accepted um, USD R. I don't know. I don't know what Ripple's gonna call it. Imagine they do call it USDR. Wait, is that a thing? No, that's US. Never mind. Never mind. But yeah, so the CEO basically came back and he's like, "Hey, they're hypocrites. There's no issues with his USDT." And then they talks about regulatory compliance and transparency, and literally he turns it into a whole crypto issue and not just a USDT issue. And that may be, that may not be, but USDT is being questioned according to inside information. So it does shake out USDT a little bit. Hopefully everything is okay. And when it comes down to it, I believe it's going to be the reserves. And we have heard from Ordiano in the past where he's like talked about the reserves. Hey, get out of here. Why is this here? Oh my god. What did I do? I did a thing. There we go. Where he's talked about it in the past, and you go, hey, he says all the reserves match up. They have even more reserves than the amount of USDT that is in circulation. So we speculate, we hope that there is no real issues with the stable coins. This is just a shakeout with the news, and hopefully everything will repeg once the shakeout is done. But regardless, the benefit we get is a stable coin by XRP that potentially could be regulatorily accepted. And what's interesting is XRP also has a CBDC utility. So we know they've worked with countries in the past with CBDCs. And then you go, hey, now they came out with their own. Oh my God, I'm spiraling. I am thinking about so many things that they could do. The roast of Teddy Gancha on Comedy Central. Bro, I got roasted harder than freaking Kim Kardashian on Tom Brady's roast, bro. USDC, USDT, BUSD, FDUSD, USDC, CBUSDC, DAI. How many stables do we need, bro? How many of those stables were regulatory? That's the real question. USDC is I'm not laughing because of the organization. I'm laughing because of the correlation. This is hilarious that you put these two things together and they're saying that. But yes, if the devs say it's all good, it's all good. Buddy, we were there. We were there for the demise of Terra Luna. Do not tell me this. Do not tell me this. UST, we were supposed to make it all back. Where are we starting? I vote the hair. Wait, where are we starting? I vote the hair. Oh my god, this roast is continuing. What's with the hair? Did I do something different? Normally on Explore the Weird, I put my hair up with the headphones. I really like this is I go full crazy. Do I appear full crazy right now? Where are we starting? You're gonna start with the hair? You're gonna roast my hair? Oh my god. Yo, I am getting demolished today, bros. Oh my god. F Joe is on one. F Joe is on one. I'm gonna hold on to my Shivalingam and start praying. Oh buddies. Oh buddies. Don't you dare bring up UST. I'm traumatized. Here we go. Here we go. Shave it. Oh my god. That could be a great solution. Oh boy. At some point, I do see myself. Maybe I turn bald. Who knows? Who knows? We'll see. But yes, so far so good. With this article, I'm gonna continue. Sorry. I just love explaining stuff to you. And this was like what was happening in crypto. And I love informing the goons. So we gotta continue. Pepe. Oh my god, Pepe rallied up 34%. We did get to the 401 level, and now we're trying to see where Pepe is going to catch support. I'm hoping it stays at 401, but if not, People have, and I think even in this articles have talked about 5085 as potential, or 875 in this article as potential um, support. So if we do catch support there, hey, that seems pretty good. That's right before takeoff. So we do know we're still headed in the trajectory of further growth. And we are going to look at the fib retracement again, and we are going to look at even their speculation here with the RSI with 70. We're not quite there at, hey, it's time to sell. So I do believe this hold and this support will work. And Pepe is getting ready, but so are the other meme coins in the space. So in the article we also seen, hey, because of what's happening, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and I did say dog with fat. It was there. I know it wasn't there at the time of streaming, but almost 3% up today. Not that much, but Floki, Bonk, almost 3% up across the board for all meme coins. They said almost $10 billion came into this. And what's interesting is they even talk about the GME thing, and this is the Roaring Kitty meme, right? So there's this guy, and he basically posted this meme right on the night of May 12th, which is May 13th for us, which is today, which is why we saw everything. But basically, it was from leaning back to leaning in, which they accounted to as them focusing in. And the last time this guy, Gil, was active on this account was when GameStop and AMC surged more than 1,000%. So now he became active again, Roaring Kitty, after being so dormant that people are anticipating another percent like crazy hike because of historical trends that this guy has predicted before. So that is just literally what this news is based off of and what started this rally. So this guy did come over to the stocks as well, and we're going to talk about the meme stocks. We got GameStop, we got AMC, Reddit, Spirit Airlines, Lucid, Rivian, Neo, Context, and I don't consider all of these memes, but even on the meme stocks, um, these are considered memes. So Neo up 10%. So hey, today it's up. What's it going to be tomorrow? We'll have to see. We'll have to see how the traders react. I do expect at some point there will be retracement, but it does look like the way everyone is anticipating, and even the analysts, and we'll talk about this in the other article here, is hey, there is a rally coming. There is support being found. People are solidifying and continuing to hold. So that's literally what it comes down to. And we love to see that rally when and if it happens. So we're geared up as goons. I'm ready. I've found my positions. I've even told you guys in almost all my streams, hey, these are the things I'm into. Not necessarily invested into, but I'm into. Yeah, there's no investment advice here, so you stop it. But it is something that we want to get all the goons the chance to know, so that way they're informed about their own meme coin position. So it does look like, hey, this is why the rally started. So make sure you figure out where you land with whether you're going to hold or sell in the foreseeable future. All right, we're going to continue. We have even more about what's going on in the week ahead. Wednesday, hey, CPI data is coming out. Analysts expect it to rise 0.3 up from zero point 0.4. So not as much as March, but let's see. Let's see. CPI, we're always doing our numbers on outdated reports. So it just feels silly to me that this still is a thing, but hopefully everything's factored in when those numbers are released, and we'll see what happens. But Wednesday, and as I said, hey, we have spot Ethereum ETFs in, and we know that delay is for July 5th. So I don't expect any more rallies, especially on the Ethereum side. I think that's why Ethereum even dipped below 3,000. We'll see where it's going to catch support, and once that support comes in, we've even seen 2,750 and lower And if that support comes in, we'll see uh, where it goes on the next rally. And I do anticipate that to start right when we start getting more SEC approval news. Triple G token, let's go. What's going on, John? John, nice to see you. Always a pleasure. Had an epic Thanos one, put on the glove, and was like, I'll do it myself, followed by a new meme every little bit. Oh my god. Roaring Kitty had the memes flying today on his Twitter. Oh, did he? I didn't even see. I'll have to check that out. Shaba ranks his intro song for roast. Shaba ranks his intro song for roast. Oh my god, why are the goons predicting the roast of Teddy Ganja already? Yo, start with his hair. Oh my god. All right. Yeah, so if you guys are tuning in, it's been a wild live stream, all right? We started off in one place, we landed somewhere else. And it's all thanks to me, yours truly, yours truly. So as I was saying, guys, we're gonna continue this. Dude, this analyst here has predicted it to 2,500. I said 2,700, but now 2,500 also looking approachable if this rally doesn't sustain. You know, if we're not gonna get news till July 5th, hey, there could be some blood in the foreseeable future. Other stuff is there's going to be a vote, and we don't know if it's going to be voted through or not. I'm thinking no, but we'll see. But if it comes through, hey, this would be finally some jurisdiction over cryptocurrencies in investment contracts. So that is an interesting uh, uh, vote, and we'll see what happens if they decide to do it. But with the floor vote announced, it'll be the historic step, providing a clear regulatory framework for digital asset markets. So let's see if it's going to happen. And then, as you guys know, they have to do all the legal stuff. So at some point, we are expecting SEC and Ripple news. And that's why I think, Ripple getting unruly out there, even talking about other jabs at other projects there. So we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening. But I do feel like XRP is now positioned in themselves to like leverage themselves forward because they figured it out. They know exactly what the SEC wants to do because they've talked to them. They've tried to make agreements with them. There's a whole chunk of the roast dedicated to NFTs. Oh boy, here we go. I still have a third collection of NFTs that I need to figure out when is the right time to get those out to you guys. Make sure everything lines up. Oh my god, there's so much to do. There's so much to do. Oh yeah, so let's continue. We got one more thing, which is my last article. The Bitcoin holders are accumulating and they are holding and they're not moving their tokens. So these long term holders or hodlers accumulate, and there's predictions that guys that watch these wallets and look at these trends, they go, hey, the last time this happened, we went up 15x. The last time this happened, we went up 20x. The last time this happened, right now, how much higher are we going to go up, right? So there's all these predictions happening right now because people are just holding, and not really moving. It's just basically diamond hands across the board when it comes to Bitcoin. So they think that floor is solidifying at 60K right now. We got resistance at 66K. I do agree with those levels there, and they're trying to see, hey, are we headed into a surge that is going to get us to 700,000? That's right, one Bitcoin worth 700,000. That exactly what they're um, trying to see if that's going to happen. Hey, potentially. So is 700,000 achievable? Yeah, yeah. If it's truly a historical trend, I would go, hey, 100%. But is 700,000 going to happen in my timeline? I don't know. I don't know. Oh boy, there would have to be so much crazy things happening. But hey, maybe that Fit 21 proposal gets voted through, something crazy happens, and then boom, Bitcoin goes parabolic. People start waking up and realizing that they need to hold their own keys and they can't trust governments and they need Bitcoin. I don't know. I don't know what it's going to be, but something. Teddy, have you seen the 5.3 theory on BTC tops by Crypto Crew University? Deadly accurate? No, I have not. What did they say? NW, what are they predicting in the foreseeable future? So as I said, for us, Bitcoin is finding rejection at 66K, but this article is anticipating if there is retracement, that retracement is short-lived, and we're going to hold above 60K as people are just patiently waiting for Bitcoin to surge. So I don't think anyone's here to sell. Most people are holding for the long term. So we'll see what ends up happening. But it is an interesting point and a point to take away. Let me see here. Teddy, have you seen? No, I haven't. I believe that's all I had for the news. We're gonna continue on to the chats. To the chats. I just have a few chats I want to review with you guys before we go on to Goon Time. So give me your undivided attention because things could be happening if there is a rally in the foreseeable future. So these are the levels I am looking for. So as I've said, the 0.618 level is the level I'm looking for a rally at if it closes above 67K. Right now, we're finding resistance at 63. We really find resistance even at 66, right? What's interesting is Andean's getting super narrow. It's not quite crossed over, but that crossover could come. Triple G still hasn't given us a buy signal. We are seeing some analysts talk about, hey, a head and a right shoulder forming. At this point, whatever you see forming, these just I needed to close above 67K to say, hey, the rally is continuing and we're gonna see 84K one day. But right now, I'm still nervous because we're still so close to the 0.236. We're still so close to the 60K. If we see that retracement, I hit 56K again, and then we'll see, hey, are we going to continue? And then the fear is if 56K doesn't hold, we're at 50, right? So I'm not getting all happy and bullish. I am being very speculative, and giving you guys the real truth here. These are the numbers that BTC needs to hit. So every cycle you take the percent from the bottom to the top, divide by 5.3, gives you the top of the next cycle. Been accurate each cycle, says we don't go above 80K this cycle. I want to say 84K is resistance if we go above. So yeah, if we don't go above 80K, yeah, I can agree with that. That's still in the between 1 and 1.618. Yeah, I can agree with that. I like that. All right, so continuing Ethereum, not looking any better. It's just been a slow bleed since the short position has came in. I do believe it is going to continue to bleed because of the articles we just talked about, right? So the SEC, the ETFs, I just don't see that going positive in here. So I do believe it's going to continue to come down. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm in it to win it. Well, actually, I say I'm in it to win it. I'm in it to win it, as in like I'm watching this and hoping. Oh, sorry, and hoping it doesn't bleed out. But unfortunately, everything is predicting to me that hey, potentially 2,500 seems achievable. I haven't charted any support or resistance levels since our 2,000 mark, since the takeoff, right? So in that uncertainty period, if we go back to 2,800, hey, I can agree with almost any level between 2,000 to 3,000. So we'll wait. We'll see where this actually retraces to. Nothing too crazy there. So continuing on with BNB, it started as a theory on his YouTube. Now it's on Google searches. Oh, wow. Really? That's crazy. The 5.3 theory that he just made up. Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome. Um, We have the triple G's, we got someone needs to tell them. So another crossover with BNB, and you guys know, hey, it's narrow crossovers. Right now we're in the green. Maybe we're gonna see continued push, but the goal is, hey, 645. I take profits, but if it does not close above 0.618 again, and we don't see traction, I do believe we may continue to bleed. But right now, as long as we're closing above 0.618, I go bullish. But if it does not, because it's dipped a few times, then we go bearish. So I'm seeing that short position, but I'm also seeing the Andean cross over. So we are quite speculating on what could be for BNB in the foreseeable future. Triple G gives us support at 536, resistance at 618, and we're at 591. So we'll see. JTO to $20. I move to Colombia and buy a 8-unit hotel for Airbnb in it to win it. No, just get a investment property on Bitcoin City or something. Like they're doing all kinds of things. Or Tucker. Oh yeah, bro. Tucker hit $20. We're you buying us all private planes. Don't forget about me when you make it big, NW. Oh, Teddy, you were the one that told me. Here you go, Teddy. I'll help you out. Finally, finally. That's wishful thinking. I hear most lottery winners don't even help out anybody. They like are afraid of. Never mind, never mind. But I hope all the goons make it. I hope all the goons make it. Continuing on with Solana, it's the 0.382 level, guys. I'm still not fully there. I need to see 170. If I don't see 170, I go, hey, Solana's going to continue to bleed. I'll buy your Trump NFTs. Bro, get out of here. Why are you trying to buy my Trump NFTs? How much are they at right now? Are they super cheap? Or are they like, isn't everything Trump taking off actually? Uh, Let me see. I have no idea. But continuing on with XRP, guys, XRP had that crossover with the Andean. It is narrow. I don't know if we're going to see the continued bleed. If we do, that puts us almost at 42. From where we are right now, almost 10 cents more. So I still need to see. I still need to see at least 62, and this number has just been diminishing. I'm hoping this whole rally and XRP versus USDT will spin up something. So let's see. I do see a little bit of a narrowing on the Andean. I see the green candle coming in, but I'm not quite there. Everything except our NFTs. You see everything Trump except NFTs. Damn it, Trump! Look what you did. Don't come after me. Don't come after me, please. I'm just a simple goon. Uh, Shiba Inu, another rally. Almost 5% here. Not too crazy, but we love to see it. It followed market trends. Doge, same exact way. What's interesting with Doge is even though we've had a nice green day, Indian is narrowing. So that's why I'm like, hey, is there potential risk for Doge as we go on? So here's the fib retracement charted. We hit the one again. As we said, 0.618 gets hit, then we go above. If I'd love to see it, I want to get to 4015. Can we do it? Potentially. We're still above 0.618. So we'll see if the rally continues into this week. And especially when I come back to you guys and check it on Thursday. So here's Bonk. Bonk is also narrowing, right? So I see like some coins are having rallies, and this is why in sideways markets and crab markets, we're gonna see different coins have rallies and other coins not. And you guys need to figure out the positions that you want to be in, because some of them are just unpredicted, like this one just happened. It's a random Twitter post gave this rally. So just understand where you are, and this one I think can take out COQ. Bone, not too crazy, but the bleed continues. So we'll see how much longer we're gonna see this for. Let's see, just move this up right there. Yeah, we're still in the red. Oh boy, 52 cents again. All right, well, let it happen. Crow, blood. Oh boy. See, and people are trying to tell me rally, but I'm like, bro, all these things are telling me no. WorldCoin did get the long position. So if you have the chance to get into WorldCoin, potentially, and I know it's slim, but it's like overall, maybe there's someone knows something. So we'll see about WorldCoin. And I think that's literally all I had for the charts. So I'll move it over to Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. I'm gonna check out JTO here for NW. NW. Oh, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Look at this. You may hit above $5 again. Let's see. Let's see. But if in reality, let's see, did we say $20? No, I predict 15. $15 is achievable for JTO. Get your sell in at 15, bro. I am not saying it's gonna happen this year, but it's gonna happen. Unless they do some weird voodoo stuff or something. I don't know. Um I don't believe. And then let me see. You had one more, right? JTO. What was the other one you had? No, no. Rocket ships. Tucker. There it is. Thank you. I got it. I don't think Tucker is on TradingView yet. Let me just check. Wait, Tucker Carlson. It's on Poloniex. Oh wow. Look, they got some listings. All right, let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy. I see that crossover. That do not look good. All right, let me look at a different one. CoinX. Oh, and this is wide, bro. You're in for blood. You're in for blood. Oh boy. 7 cents though. Hopefully you catch the rebound here, Tucker Carlson. Let's see. Tucker Carlson gonna be VP of Trump. Let's see. No, I'm just making stuff up. It's not a thing. But could you imagine? Oh boy. Yeah, you're in for blood, dude. All the charts for Tucker do not look good that I am looking at. So I don't feel positive on this. This is another crossover. Ouch, lol. I'm in from 204. All right, so you're still up 10x, right? So you're still up. So I guess hold at this point. But yeah, it says further blood in theory. Andean crossed over. Deck screener. Okay, let me check deck screener. Deck screener. Oh, wait, I don't even use deck screener, man. What the hell? Damn it. Damn it. Tucker. They Tucker. Oh boy. Yeah, it's the same thing. Doesn't look any better, buddy. Oof. Well, let's see. You're still up, I guess, right? You're still up. Yeah, 205. So you got in on this candle, buddy. So yeah, hold. There's nothing you're doing wrong, I guess. Wait, can I get some indicators in here? Give me some Bollinger Bands. Give me after Bollinger Bands. I want RSI. Give me moving average. Give me another moving average. Make this one 50. Alright, make this one 200. Sorry, I just want to give you guys full focus. Yellow. Do I have to press apply or something? No, I'm good. All right, and then what color is this? This is blue. Give me orange. All right. Yeah, it's not even charted, so I'll just stay on my 50. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, if it bounces off the lower Bollinger Band, maybe, but right now it looks like MA 50. It may bounce off MA 50, and then MA 200 is not charted yet, so no yellow. Or if there is a yellow, it must be so tiny. RSI is right at 45, so continued blood potentially. Yeah. Thanks for the analysis. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. But the LP looks good. Market cap looking good. You okay? You okay? They got utility, right? All right, let me see. I don't see anything else coming in, guys. I believe that is it. Oh, Selma, right when I'm wrapping up, you chime in. Damn it, Selma. Hopefully you guys are watching me on Explore the Weird. As I've said, we're doing lots of crazy stuff over there at Explore the Weird. Come check out the videos. We had one come out yesterday. We're gonna have another one come out tomorrow at 2 p.m. Yeah, check out those videos as well. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed.